Then they'll ask you for like a left signal, right signal. And then they're going to walk behind the vehicle to see if all the lights and everything are working back there. And we'll do this part. So go ahead and put your foot on the brake. And you put it in reverse. Your window's going to be down, and they'll probably yell at you at this point and say, please don't take your foot off the brake, so you won't run them over.
Yeah.
And then, go ahead and put it in park. They'll get in, and they'll go through their little speech. It's like a script. They have a little script. So they'll say, do you wear glasses? Do you have any medical conditions? And then, so you won't be asked to do anything contrary to the law, or we won't try to trick you, that kind of thing, right?
Yeah.
And then they'll let you ask them any questions if you have any before you start. But then once you start, then that's it. You're on your own.
Yeah.
And yeah, so you're expected to follow the rules of the road. The traffic lights, the traffic signs, all that, road signs, whatever. They'll go through all that speech with you, and then when you're ready, then normally they'll make a right turn out of here, usually starting that way. But they could change it up. They could go left too. So we'll do both. We'll do the first route. We'll go right here. So when you're ready, we'll go ahead and I'll pull out my booklet here and make it official. And when you're ready, we're starting at 4:12, so we should be back here by about 4:30 or so. If you see them writing notes, don't worry about it. It doesn't necessarily mean you're making any mistakes. It could be writing okay in a certain section. At the end of the building, please turn left. They say please a lot too. At the roadway, right turn. They don't say anything at all, you just go straight, and that's what we'll do too. At the traffic lights, the next traffic lights will turn left. They leave that lane change up to you of when to do it.